all. Welcome to my channel. So, we are meeting after a very long period and I know that you must have enjoyed the holidays. So, now today we will discuss the subtraction word problems. As in our previous video, we have discussed the word problems from number 1 to number 5. And today we will discuss from question number 6 to question number 10. As you can see at the above the page, so from there you can get the questions. So now let's start from number 6. As I have told you that I will tell you the statements orally, you can write the statements of your own and I will do only the calculation and tell you the answer. So now let's start. Number 6, the difference of two numbers is 1279321. If the smaller number is 6970532, find the greater number. So here difference of two numbers is given, smaller number is given and it is told that find the greater number. So I think you are thinking that it will be minus, but it will be not minus, it will be add. So I am explaining once more. There are a difference of two numbers and smaller number is given and it is told to find the greater. If we will do minus, then we will get the smallest number, not the greater number, not the biggest number. So for that we have to add. So the statements will be that the difference of two numbers or difference, you can write in one word also, difference of two numbers equal to 1279321. Smaller number equal to 6970532, greater number equal to 1279321 plus 6970532. Then solve. Eight plus 1 9, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 5 8, 9 plus 0 0, 7 plus 7 14, 1 will be carried here, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 12, 1 will be carried here, here we will write only 2. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6, it will be 8. So 8249,859 will be the greater number. You can recheck it. I am telling you how you can check. You can minus this number from this number and then you will get this answer only. So if in that way you can check and the answer will be that the greater number is 8249859. Like this. Now 7 number. The population of city was 4372820 in 2015 and in 2017 it became 4402951. Find the increase in population, write the number sentence. So here it is asked that the population of city in 2015 was this much, 4372820, and in 2017 it became 4402951. So it is telling that find the increase in population, that what thing means how much it increased in 2017, and for that how much we have to have minus. Means, so the statement I am telling you, the population of city in 2015 equal to 4372820. The population of city in 2017 equal to 4402951. Increase in population equal to 4402951 minus 4372820. Now let's do the minus. This will be the answer. 1 minus 0, 1, 5 minus 2, 3, 9 minus 8, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Then it is 0 means it is smaller. So we have to take one number. So we will take 1 from 4. It will become 3. It will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So this will be your answer. Now 8 number. India exported ready-made garments worth rupees 9598235 in 2 years. If in 1 year the export of ready-made garments was rupees 62476689, find the amount of export in the second year. Means first it is said that in 2 years India exported this much ready garments, rupees 9598235. In 1 year the export of ready-made garments was rupees 62476689, and it is asked that what was the amount of export in the second year. So you can simply say that the total is given and the export of ready-made garments in 1 year is given. The export of ready-made garments in second year is asked, so just minus. Now I am telling you the statement that yes, worth of ready-made garments exported in 2 years equal to rupees 9598235. Worth of ready-made garments exported in 1 year equal to rupees 62476689, and the amount of export in the second year, or you can write that the worth of ready-made garments exported in the second year equal to, and then you have after equal to you just write rupees 9598235 minus rupees 62476689. And then do the minus. So I am doing here the minus. Now let's do the minus. Here you can see 5 is small, 3 is also small, 2 is also small, 8 is bigger. Actually you can take from 3 also, but then also it will become smaller only. So let's take from large number. So now let's do minus 15 minus 9 6, 12 minus 8 4, 11 minus 6 5, 7 minus 7 0, 9 minus 4 5, 5 minus 2 3, 9 minus 6 also 3. This will be your answer, rupees 3350,546. So answer will be the amount of export in the second year was rupees 3350,546. Yes. Now one thing I have to say that here as it is written rupees, so the answer will be also in rupees. So in the answer also you have to write the rupees, and when you are writing the answer statement also, that time also you have to write the answer in rupees. Now let's see 9 number. Ashok wanted to buy a new car costing rupees 828825. He had rupees 679500 and borrowed the rest from a bank. How much money did he borrow from the bank? Now here it is asked that Ashok wanted to buy a car which cost rupees 828825. He had rupees 679500 and borrowed the rest from a bank. But how much did he borrow? That we have to find here. Means the cost of a new car is given that Ashok wanted to buy, the cost that he had, that is given, and it is asked at how much he had borrowed dress from a bank. So for that we have to multiply. Now you can write like this, the statement: cost of a new car that Ashok wanted to buy, or you can write cost of a new car, that you can write, or cost of a car, anything that you can write of your own. I am telling you that cost of a new car Ashok wanted to buy equal to rupees 8 to 8825. Amount of money he had equal to rupees 679500. Amount of money he borrowed the rest from a bank equal to rupees 8 to 8825 minus rupees 679500. Now let's do minus. This will be your answer. 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 8 minus 5, 3. 8 is smaller, 2 is also smaller. We can take from 2 also, but then also it will become 1. So then also it will become shorter. So let's take from a bigger number. So 8 is bigger number. We will take 1 from 8, it will become 12. So we will take from 1 from this 12, it will become 11. And we will add 1 to this number, it will become 18. And this, as we have taken 1 from this number, it will become 7. Now do 18 minus 9, 9, 11 minus 7, 4, 7 minus 6, 1. This will be your answer, rupees 149325. The answer will be that amount, or you can say Ashok borrowed from the bank rupees 149325, or Ashok borrowed rupees 149325 from the bank. Let's see the last question. In an exam, 4590203 students sat for mathematics test which was for 100 marks. 89712 students got 90 and above marks. 95389 students got between 79 and 90 marks. How many students got less than 80 marks? Now in an examination, how much students sat for mathematics test which was for 100 marks? That amount were 4590203 students. Now how much students got 90 marks? 89712. Means 90 and above marks. How much students got between 79 and 90 marks? 95389. Now it is asked that how many students got less than 80 marks. So this is little bit bigger, but it is very easy. Here we have to do 2 steps. First we have to add the whole thing, and then we have to minus from the total number of students who sat for mathematics test. Means first we have to add that how much students got 90 and above marks, how many students got between 70 and 90 marks for that. So the first statement will be that number of students sat for mathematics steps which was for 100 marks equal to 459203. Number of students who got 90 and above marks equal to 89712. Number of students who got between 79 and 90 marks equal to 95389. Total number of students who got 90 and above marks and between 79 and 90 marks equal to 89712 plus 95389. Yes, first we have to add these two number of students. So first add this. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 will be carried here. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 will be carried here. 7 plus 3, 10. 11. 1 will be carried here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5, 1 will be carried here. 8 plus 9, 17. Plus 1, 18. So this much students, total this much students got 90 and above marks and between 79 and 90 marks. Now it examines how many students got less than marks. So the next statement will be, after solving this, the next statement will be that number of students got less than 80 marks equal to 459203 minus 185101. Means first we have to add the students that are given here, and then we have to minus that much total students from the total number of students. Then we will get that how much students got less than 80 marks. So next statement will be that number of students got less than 80 marks equal to 459203 minus 185101. Now let's do minus. Now minus 3 minus 1, 2, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 9 minus 5, 4, 5 is smaller, 4 is bigger. So 4, it will become 15, it will become 3. As we will take 1 from this number, it will become 15, it will become 3. 15 minus 8, it will be 7, and 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So this much students got less than 80 marks, and your answer will be that 274102 students got less than 80 marks. I am explaining this question once more. First we have to add the total, first we have to add the students to get the total amount. Means first we have to add 89712 students and 95389 students. Then we will get this much students who got this much total students who got 90 and above marks and between 79 and 90 marks. And after that we have to minus this much students from the total number of students, and then we will get the number of students who got less than 80 marks. And your answer will be that 274102 students got less than 80 marks. So today I have completed the subtraction word problems. I have discussed from number 6 to number 10. In my previous video also I have discussed from number 1 to number 5. You first please see my previous video, then only you watch this video. So for today my topic has been completed. I am ending the video. Please subscribe my channel or touch the bell icon to get more notifications about my channel or about learning. I am ending the video. Thank you.